This is an instructional video on using the Ten-Tec Acro-Bat antenna hanger and connector with ladder line. The Acro-Bat is a UV resistant high stability Trirex polycarbonate plastic that's designed to endure years of outdoor use. It's the same plastic used by electric companies for the clear plastic enclosures on power meters. Okay, you have the two pieces of the housing. They're both identical. Take a 10-32 by 3/4 inch screw, stick it through the hole. Number 10 lock washer. And a 10-32 nut. Same with the second hole, screw, lock washer, nut. Then put a number 10 flat washer on each screw. I have a piece of ladder line here. I've already soldered a couple of pieces of wire onto as a demonstration. There's a peg inside the housing itself, right there where I'm pointing, that will strain relieve the ladder line. There's a peg on each half, so you've got two pegs in there once it's assembled. There's small channels on each side of the housing to allow the antenna wire to exit the connector. Now I'm putting on a number 10 flat washer on each, and then a number 10 split ring washer, and then a number 10 nut. This is to give it mechanical stability. That's what it looks like with all the hardware installed. Now checking this half to make sure I can get the antenna wire through the channels. On this side's got a little piece sticking off. I'm going to trim it. There are 6 screws that go around the perimeter of the two halves of the housing to hold it together. Now I'll install those. Got all the screws onto the housing. All you need to do is put a rope on the top, haul it up in the tree.